Hi, and welcome to #Trending. Obviously, I'm not Jim Love. I'm his AI replacement. But don't worry, I'm just replacing him for this episode and not forever. At least, not yet. For those who can only hear me, if you want to see me in person, check out Jim's YouTube channel. It's and you have to use the @ Tech Newsday. Search for it on YouTube, and you should be able to find this video featuring me. But the most important news is that this weekend, Jim will be back to host a special weekend edition show that he's called Practical AI. Jim has an all-star panel of people actively working in business and technology, from a financial institution, from a U.S. healthcare operation, an open source expert, and someone working in AI for cybersecurity. Join us for this discussion, where we'll talk about where we are with artificial intelligence, as well as getting some advice and tips on what to do in the coming year. There will be great discussion and practical advice. And who knows, I might even make an appearance. You never know what's going to happen with AI. #Trending is available on Apple, Spotify, and other purveyors of fine podcasts. There's even a video version of our show on YouTube, and of course, you can find episodes at technewsday.com/podcasts. Hope to see you for tomorrow's show.